seatbelt on.
I'll leave it on this one so that way you can see like the speed and shit without having to get across. Then I'm gonna ride down here, turn around, put it in launch control, and hit it on the way back.
Alright.
Give it time to warm up. And look for 12.
So what all it says down to this one?
Tune.
That's it?
Tune and lower. And
Is it
exhaust.
Tune and what word?
Tune, lower, and acapulco exhaust.
Okay. This thing sound crazy. I know you ain't even got on it yet. Huh?
Just figured out the launch control. I've been hit this one over here too.
Yeah.
You know, we ain't no need to hit that one.
Oh shit, damn, motherfucker. God dang.
I didn't do it right.
Oh shit.
I didn't do the launch
Man, this motherfucker is, damn, this motherfucker is crazy.
There's a car behind us.
That motherfucker's at 70 something, right? I mean, like that.
Launch control didn't lock in, didn't do right.
What the?
Slow. When it takes off, damn near all 4 tires will try to spin.
God dang, this motherfucker is.
I'll let this car behind us pass us.
What the hell? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know.
Shit, I went nuts, man. It didn't do right, man. I fucked it up.
I don't know my car, man. I don't know, man. Maybe from a roll, but definitely not no dig, because that motherfucker put me in the seat.
It didn't even dig right, man. I promise you.
Man, that motherfucker still put me in the seat. Look, I'm gonna let y'all see, guys. Look.
Fresh. Oh, there we go.
Oh, hold on.
Now it's right.
Hold on, let's see, guys. I don't know if y'all can see.
You might want to look at the speed of.
We're gonna turn the light on. Just look. Yeah, look, yo. This shit got me back in the seat. Dang, man. These GTRs is crazy. I never rode in one, but this is the first time man, you made me a believer. I can tell you that.
No, ain't no bleach right there. We hit it going back down.
God dang, dude, it was 80 something miles an hour. That was quick as fuck. Excuse my language, I'm cussing a lot on my channel, but man, yo, y'all guys don't even understand. This thing is crazy. Yeah, this joint is crazy. Jesus Christ. Man. Man, this joint is bananas, dude. No, I ain't even gonna hold you. This joint is crazy. Like, this motherfucker really fast. Like, I thought my shit was moving, but this shit is moving. This shit really moving.
Man, 172.
Man, and this, you know the crazy thing about it? Like, I watch these cars on YouTube sometimes, and like, after people do work to them, they be stupid fast. Like, this is like basically stock, pretty much. It's tuned and a little bit of exhaust, And this motherfucker is, I mean, it's pinning me in the seat.
You got a G-force meter right there. If you
Man.
pull 1 G's, just...
Yeah, I definitely ain't racing you from no dig, bro. I can tell you that now. You can scratch that off your list, cause I ain't doing that. We can roll.
we can roll. Right.
We can roll, but I ain't fucking with no dig. Excuse my language again, y'all, but man, y'all don't understand. This car is crazy. I'm gonna put some shots of the car, man. Yeah, pull on down so we can get like bias. Man, this is crazy, yo. This is my boy right here. Go ahead and give a little shout out on the channel, man. You can do on YouTube.
Travis Torrance, Kannapolis represent. Doing this since 1967 with the family. Been on the bikes, now I'm on the cars. Doing something a little different.
Yeah, man, and this car is a little different too. I can definitely tell you that. But look, yo, this is only this is gonna be part 1. We're gonna do another. Me and him gonna meet up, man. We're gonna race. I'm on my Cam G8 versus this from Roll, which the prediction. I think he's probably gonna smoke me, but hey, I ain't scared of no race. We're gonna still get it.
Perfect.